Oh, Veronica, you know, I just want to say happy birthday again because when I think of birthdays, I think of you. And, you know, I just want to wish you a happy birthday again because it's your birthday again. And, you know, today is a very sunny day. As you can see, I'm tanning. Look at the sun. The sunlight is everywhere. Oh, look! There you are! This is Veronica. Happy birthday, Veronica! Come here. Come on. Come on. This is for you. This is you. Veronica. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Veronica, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Veronica.
Okay,
Because
my birthday was like a month
her
ago.
birthday was a month ago, but there should be a birthday after the month, right? So this is Veronica to you, okay? Happy birthday, Veronica. I think of you.
Okay.
Okay, cut that.